When questioned, who is divine? I ponder deep. A voice within, a secret it does keep. Beyond all bounds, neither start nor end. A concept vast on which minds depend. I grasp not the essence, too vast to define. The infinite nature, truly divine. Yet, in contemplation, a whisper I hear. A truth unfolding, perfectly clear. You may perceive me as solid stone, or as a deity on a heavenly throne. In your beliefs, my form takes flight. I am your vision, your guiding light. In the image you hold, there I reside. With open arms, I wait beside. Your thoughts, your desires, they reveal. The depth of me, they gently unseal. At times, you sense my mystic art. A connection strong, it warms your heart. In every emotion, in every glance, I merge with you in a cosmic dance. The hues of life, the shades you see. In your world, that color is me. In your dreams, your hopes, your fears. In your laughter, in your tears. I exist, I persist in every part. The core of creation, the beat of your heart. In mountains grand, in oceans wide. In a child's laughter, a sage's stride. In petals soft, in birds that soar. In a lover's touch, in a hermit's core. I am present in each living thing. In every pauper, in every king. The energy binding galaxies vast. In every moment, in every blast. The answer you seek within you lies. In your spirit, where the divine complies. Eternal, infinite, beyond the eye. In every soul I reside, soaring high. In the song of birds, in the morning dew. In every meadow, in skies so blue. I am the essence, the truth, the key. The divine in you, the divine in me.